Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video today, where we will be uncovering the hidden secrets of zero-based budgeting. In today's world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to optimize their financial performance, and that's where zero-based budgeting comes in. Zero-based budgeting is a budgeting methodology that has been gaining popularity among businesses of all sizes. In this video, we'll be discussing what zero-based budgeting is, how it works, and the benefits it can bring to your business. So, let's get started. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting, or ZBB for short, is a budgeting methodology that requires businesses to justify every expense they incur from scratch, rather than using the previous year's budget as a baseline. In other words, under ZBB, every expense is treated as a new expense and must be justified and approved before it is incurred. This ensures that every expense is aligned with benefits of zero-based budgeting. There are several benefits to using zero-based budgeting. First, it promotes a culture of cost consciousness and encourages decision-makers to think critically about every expense. This can lead to better financial performance and improved profitability. Second, ZBB can help businesses identify areas where costs can be reduced or eliminated altogether. By evaluating every expense, decision-makers can identify areas where costs are inflated or where resources are being wasted. This can result in significant cost savings over time. Third, ZBB can help businesses align their expenses with their strategic vision. By starting from scratch every year, businesses can ensure that every expense is aligned with their objectives and goals. This can help to ensure that resources are not wasted on non-essential activities and that the company is moving in the right direction. Finally, ZBB can help businesses improve their budget.